You know how most of us go through life thinking, I just need to make more money and everything will be fine. But somehow, no matter how much we earn, it feels like it's never enough. That's what I want to chat about today, how we can actually make our money work for us instead of always feeling like we're working for it. I recently read this book, you might have heard of it, and it completely shifted the way I think about money. The biggest light bulb moment for me, it's not about how much you earn, it's about what you do with it. Let me break it down for you. First things first, we really need to understand the difference between what makes us money and what drains it. Most of us think owning a home or a fancy car is a sign we've made it. But here's the kicker. They're often not making us richer. They're actually costing us. On the other hand, things like investing in a small business, buying stocks, or even renting out property, those are the kinds of things that actually grow your money over time. The trick is simple. Start collecting stuff that puts money in your pocket rather than stuff that takes it out. Another thing I realized is that we're kind of stuck in this cycle, right? You get paid, you pay bills, you buy stuff, and then you wait for the next paycheck. It's like running on a hamster wheel, working hard but not really getting anywhere. What changes the game is finding ways to earn without physically being there. Like, imagine earning money from a rental property, dividends from stocks, or even royalties from something you create. That's what people mean when they talk about passive income. And yeah, it doesn't happen overnight, but every little step you take toward that makes a huge difference in the long run. Something else that stuck with me was this idea of working for knowledge, not just for money. We usually pick jobs because of the paycheck, right? But the better question is, what can this job teach me? Can it help me learn about sales, leadership, or investing? Those are the skills that'll help you start your own thing someday, or even just make smarter decisions with your money. And honestly, you don't have to wait for a perfect opportunity. You could start by picking up a new skill on the side, like learning how to invest or how to market a small business. That's where the real growth happens. The last piece of advice, don't let fear hold you back. I know it's scary to think about investing or starting a business because what if you fail? But the reality is, staying stuck in the same place is also a risk. The key is to start small and think long term. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight, but every little step you take puts you close to building real freedom for yourself. If you want to build real wealth, focus on learning how money works, invest in things that grow your income, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter and thinking ahead. Anyway, I hope this gave you something to think about. If it did, share it with someone who might need it too. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Let's keep growing together. See you next time.